Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
जब भी हम मेंटल हेल्थ की बात करते हैं तो ऑटोमेटिकली ये अज्यूम किया जाता है कि अडल्ट्स की बात हो रही है, इवन दो चिल्ड्रन और टीनेजर्स का मेंटल हेल्थ भी इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. स्पेशली ड्यूरिंग कोविड एंड लॉकडाउन्स, children have been severely affected, not simply by falling ill, but also due to closure of schools, outdoor activities, and shifting of learning itself to the online space. Many youngsters' social, emotional, and mental well-being has been affected by the pandemic. हम चाहे इसे accept करें या ना करें, but this is also a form of trauma that is affecting them in their developmental stage, और जो आगे जाके भी उनके life में उनको affect कर सकता है. What are some of the challenges children and youngsters are facing during the pandemic? Number one, change in their routine. Closure of schools and maintaining social distancing even within families to ensure non-spread of COVID. Number two, break in continuity of learning. Due to the pandemic, teaching and learning has shifted completely online, and there is a need to shift to the virtual learning environment as well as have access to technology and also connectivity. Number three, missed significant life events. Birthdays, school farewells, picnics, trips. हम सभी बचपन में इन सबको लेके काफ़ी excited होते हैं. But at this point, it seems like there is zero access to any such kind of group activity जो किसी भी बच्चे के all-round development के लिए ज़रूरी होता है. Number four, loss of security and safety. If the pandemic has resulted in the loss of jobs for a lot of people, it means that children dependent on those individuals have also lost security of housing and food. There could also be increased exposure to violence in certain households. How do you figure out that children or youngsters around you or in your family may be experiencing stress? Here are some of the ways. Changes in mood that are not usual, such as irritability, feeling of hopelessness, rage, and constant conflict with friends or family. उनके behavior में changes, जैसे stepping back from personal relationships. For example, आपका बहुत ही outgoing बच्चा shows little interest in video calling or texting with their friends. Loss of interest in things enjoyed previously, चाहे वो कोई hobby हो या कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ जो उनको काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद थी पहले. Sleep cycle can also be an indicator of a teenager or a child experiencing stress if the kid is sleeping too much or sleeping too little. Changes in appetite, weight, or eating patterns, such as eating too much or barely eating. Problems with memory, thinking, and concentration. There is less interest in schoolwork, and the academic record also starts dipping. ऐसे में आप क्या कर सकते हैं? Parents, caregivers, and adults can provide support, stability, and open communication. आप उनको encourage कर सकते हैं कि वो उनके दिमाग में जो बातें या feelings है वो आपके साथ share करें. बच्चों को encourage करें that they keep interacting with their friends and family members through online interactive activities. लेकिन ये ध्यान रखें कि वो entirely online या social media पे dependent ना हो जाए या उनका screen time increase ना हो जाए बहुत ज़्यादा. Encourage habits like reading and crafts instead. अगर घर में space है to play or even work out with your children. In this way, you're also helping yourself while helping your children be more active and alert during long periods of restrictions. In this way, you can also spend time with them and also encourage them to pick up tasks that will help them become more independent. Maybe try cooking lessons or even gardening. बच्चे अक्सर अपने पेरेंट्स के मूड या बिहेवियर को ना सिर्फ इमिटेट करते हैं बट दे ऑफन ऑल्सो रिस्पॉन्ड टू देम. अगर आप एक्सट्रीम फियर और डूम एक्सप्रेस करते हैं ड्यूरिंग द पेंडेमिक, इट कैन ऑल्सो अफेक्ट योर चिल्ड्रन. आई डू अंडरस्टैंड दैट आप पेरेंट्स होने के साथ साथ खुद भी इंडिविजुअल्स है, and it's very, very difficult to remain positive when you are also experiencing stress. But do try and stay positive and try to relay consistent messages that there is a brighter future ahead. It helps to set aside time to take care of yourself and seek the support you need for your own mental health. अगर आप अपनी मदद नहीं कर पा रहे हैं तो आप अपने बच्चों की मदद भी ढंग से नहीं कर पाएंगे. If you see signs that your children needs counseling, then do provide them with that counseling in whatever way possible with the help of a mental health expert. You can also try family counseling. Keep the lines of communication open between you and your children, and don't hesitate to take the help of a mental health expert to find ways to take care of your family's mental wellness during this difficult time. Thank you for watching the 9th episode of Mind Over Matter. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा प्लीज़ इसे लाइक और शेयर करें और हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. डू फॉलो अस ऑन आवर सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स. This is Tina Das for The Print signing off.